On you guys how to make your bike sound like a motorcycle. So, come video set this real quick.
You ain't riding it.
I know. We're gonna start off by this only works for huffy bikes, little boy bikes, you know. And this is not my bike, this is my brother's bike, just so I know. Mine's is over there. So
mine is a big boy.
Make sure you keep your lid off. You do that, then you put it through. Oh crap. You put it through like that, and then you pull it out, and then make sure it's good. And then, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is how it sounds. Keep riding. Hold up. Upgrade it real quick. We'll be right back. Hold up. Stop. Okay, guys, this is how it sounds.
Try to get there.
It sounds really, really loud. And this is awesome. So hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you guys later. Peace out.